Hi Geminis, Libras and Aquarius, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Happy Halloween. Follow me on Insta as Sichi LLS Essentials running, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Let's start. Thank you for likes, comments, donations, appreciate it. Also received few comments, means comments I do receive. There was one certain message or request kind of that she wanted me to do the reading, an Aquarius dealing with Leo. Okay, so though these are timeless readings, I'm going to just pick one deck here and I'm going to take out like Aquarius with Leo energy right now, because an individual reading may take time, so I thought of like doing it in like short way. So let's see. I'm going to take out Leo's card. Okay, if an Aquarius is dealing with Leo here, and then we're going to pursue. I feel like the energy is quite vibrant between you both, and I feel like maybe if you people are not like together dealing right now, having some issues, then there is this desire of reunion. Okay, heavy reunion. So maybe with this person, okay, you people might be on pause if you people are taking time, but there is all something connected with love. Okay, but let me take cards out. Aquarius and Leo. Maybe you had conversation of kind of like what if kind of. Okay, someone is waiting to initiate this. So if this is this person's energy, they want to talk, and if this is this person's expectation from you, and if you haven't done it, they might be interested in talking to you, or you initiate that. Okay, so let me do. I'm going to take out first Leo's card. What is actually they are thinking? Someone over here is heartbroken. Now, what is the reason? You know it well. Okay, so if Aquarius is dealing with Leo, they might be heartbroken here. Three of Swords energy. Maybe there's a betrayal someone is doing. If this person is doing, they might be dealing with someone, or maybe they are heartbroken. That's it in simple go. Now, your card, you want something to work, so it should work. Like Three of Pentacles is like you want to collaborate again with the person. Maybe you work with them. If you don't work with them, then this is something. I feel like this is something flipping in your life, which may be something that you really want to make it work, but might not be working because of certain issue. Maybe they're not doing the things that they're supposed to. Okay, or maybe they're coming out of something heartache or something. Okay, maybe this energy is definitely connected with threes. Okay, one person is sincere, the other one is dealing with something, coming out of something. Three of Swords can say a lot of things. Maybe there's a triangle. If there is someone you know, like in the picture, then you should deal with that. Okay, you should figure out that. But a first message came through is like heartbroken. Okay, and what is the universal bridge between you both? That is like what connects you. 10 of Pentacles. So maybe this is a long-term serious relationship here, long time. Okay, but there is someone who's either disappointed, dealing with someone. You might be dealing, but I feel like this person is more feeling saddened by something here, or disappointed. Okay, 10 of Pentacles is, this is something, a solid foundation between you both. So if you people want to make it work, go ahead and do it. Okay, for personal readings, look, if you really want to find out what is going on between you and your person, you may take that energy. There is something fluctuation, wise decision is needed. The Lovers is something harmonious relationship that you both need actually. Okay, I don't want to forget the message of Geminis, Libras and Aquarius, but here this is the energy of like you can make it work, because you're both like energy in the mid is universal blessing of 10 of Pentacles, which may be again marriage, long-term relationship, long time. Maybe you people are working. Okay, so a solid foundation is there, but you people need to work on it. Okay, that's it. I'll be back. All right, back to your reading, guys. So I hope that this will help you, like Aquarius and Leo situation. Okay, now I've been shuffling this deck here, which is Tarot by Alan Dugan, and you have in the mid Ace of Cups energy with the 9 of Cups energy at the bottom. Okay, there is something connected with the word also coming, proven, like proven, P-R-O-V-E-N. Okay, so I kind of feel like someone might be saying that I can handle kind of situation. There is someone's love related desire coming true. There may be sudden approach. Okay, and the sudden approach is from the person, of course, you know, or there's this distance between you both. It's just like someone's expectations will be fulfilled. Okay, That kind of energy is coming here. So if you want to make use of this situation or this day or this time ahead, and this kind of situation is prevailing around you, you may get this contact back. I'm also hearing, I feel like someone gonna tell you that, look, there is no need to prove every time, but there are occasions when someone need to express well that I love you, I care for you, right? So this energy is definitely coming. I feel like the one who was thinking or feeling like this is the end or was the end kind of, and I am like, I'm going to be single, I feel like something will change in your scenario. Okay, this is especially happening after like rest in peace situations of relationships or no contact. Possible you people were on break little bit. When break is there means someone is thinking about what to do about the situation and how we can basically handle this. Okay, your energy from the mid of your reading is Ace of Cups energy, and I feel like there is going to be someone who is going to prove their love to you, or you are going to prove love to them, however this fits you. There is Nine of Cups energy. I feel like this cup is coming towards you. Whatever your expectation is, whatever your possible is like your desire is about or your wish is about, that the call will come. And sometimes when we say or keep on saying like law of attraction, this does come. Okay, so all I can say is someone's desire is coming true. I feel like Six of Swords energy is also the call of like something is reaching to you, which may be someone from far is texting you, email is coming here. And also regarding Nine of Pentacles energy, this is like being in some one phase for a long time, now no longer. Like if you're single, there's going to be something happening around you which is going to be good. I'm seeing two rings. Okay, two rings. Now these two rings may be connected with both of your rings, and then someone is proving their love, kind of like possible there is some proposal coming. Okay, because there's a ring, there's the two ring. Okay, so two rings settled on some base table or anything, doesn't matter, but whatever it is telling that this is kind of reunion, union, or what you can say is like this is approaching. So there's going to be approach of someone. You also have Knight of Cups energy. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But apart from that, I feel like patience that was like being checked in this format is going to be like someone is going to do this. Okay, however this fits you, because I saw two rings. Two rings kind of energy is giving me reunion vibe. Okay, or maybe there's a little bit of distance between you both, and both of you are going to make way towards one another, and then finally telling, look, I love you, kind of that conversation that might be happening between you both. I see you very happy, and now more than like happy, it's like happiness is like, wow, I got this lip color. Wow, this is a glitter. This happiness is content. Okay, to feel content within, like something is here. So this is about you knew this is gonna come to me. This is coming to you. So what is yours? I'm going to shuffle, and I'm going to take the flip. Some of you might be dealing again, if you are interested, of course. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. Confident. There is someone who is very confident of loving you, calling you theirs. You're mine. You're mine. Okay, that kind of vibe is. Two rings, definitely. Oh my gosh. So there is this energy of Zero the Fool. There is new beginning in your life. For many of you, this is connected with your work, focus, no distraction. You're polishing, specializing in something, studying something, writing thesis possible, something connected with like professional work of like being a professor or something. Apart from that, this is also carving. Okay, it is also like what you are saving, but there is this message. There's this important message either connected with your work or something connected with this. Okay, this may be collaboration. Two rings may represent collaboration of something. Okay, this may represent anniversary. This may represent reunion. This may represent two lovers coming together. Yes, reunion. Okay, so people who are interested and they're dealing with such situation, like what is that they're thinking? They have ring in their mind. Yet not done, they have ring in their mind. Done, they love you. Okay, that kind of energy is coming. So you have, many of you will feel free regarding certain complication or something that was troubling you here, because your work is almost done. you're free and you are being not being dragged in anything. I feel like I also see like a free will approach of something. With the Eight of Pentacles, there is going to be someone who's going to handle or prove. I'm also saying that because there is this word coming, proven. So hence proved. What we do in you know, exams and all that stuff, like hence proved. So something is going to happen, hence proved. Yeah, that kind of energy. You're going to be basically free from anything that was issue. I heard message will be read. Now whatever the message is, okay, it's still there. Some of you are not going through that because this might be in your filter, or this might be in your what that list is, like message, filter, request, something will be there. I also see free will of someone towards you. No more complicated. Does that make sense? 11:11 recording time. There's going to be something connected with that particular cup or desire, and that is heading towards you. Four of Wands was at the bottom. And this is going to happen like kind of like you're working, and or maybe they are working, but I feel like you're working and there's going to be approach, new beginning, desire to contact you. I want this with you, like kind of both of you want, go ahead. King of Wands energy. You people might be in some issues, okay, between both of you, but this is King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. No, they're not letting you go. This Four of Pentacles is the energy or vibe of like, I'm not letting you go. There is also this particular energy who might be free from your surroundings, or you are free. If this person is not in contact with you, they are definitely thinking about you, but they also have energies of like how to tackle their pentacles. So here, I feel like they've been building up something. If this is this person who is building up, then the energy is about something that they are holding very close, okay? Now, second thing, it is about money. So you're going to receive certain kind of money related thing here. There is inflow. Second thing, someone who is still lingering on with certain thoughts, okay? Getting free, wanting freedom, but no. I feel like this person is still holding something very close. Your memories or feelings. If this is you, you're going to know. So there's going to be certain distraction, sudden distraction. I'm not satisfied with the deck I'm reading right now. I don't know why. Wow. So it's like hands proved. Some of you might be dealing with the Emperor. There are things, those are going to be in control, and everything will be possible. You have this card. Look, I told you that someone who is not letting your feelings, or they're still thinking about you, you know, they're keeping something close to their heart. And this one pentacle is glowing so much, which means that they are trying to curb the glow of their heart, and but heart is, it's like emerged, right? So lights are emerging right from the prism kind of, and it's making rainbow kind of, and from here someone is expressing, or they're going to. Two of Cups energy, reunion, two rings. They are going to handle, hence proved. Your love will be proved, or hence proven kind of. So Two of Cups is high reunion, and I feel like this is going to be sudden when someone is busy, and there's going to be a messenger. There's going to be certain thing connected with like visit, okay? Now I'm not saying that they're just right there. Maybe they're just contacting you first. For some cases, there's going to be free will or free approach. Like someone is suddenly possible, like after wandering and everything, or after no talk or contact, they're going to end up calling you, okay? They're going to end up contacting you, whatever the procedure is, but someone is going to end up, just give me a second. Okay, fine. So someone is going to end up contacting you. Let's see a little bit peekaboo in the future. Some of you will receive ring. Okay, let me see. Because I saw rings. ring is confirmation, commitment. That's peekaboo. There's going to be, some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn. Devil is a bounce back here. There's going to be something which I really want to figure out. What is that? King of Swords energy. So peekaboo in the future is about Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm doing the reading for you guys. There's going to be certain approach, okay? With all due honor and sincerity. I feel like this is sincere. This Ace of Pentacles is possible love related, possible work related, because many people are going through not relationship matters, rather work related, right? There's going to be free will. I'm telling you that. You have been polishing something. You have achieved a lot here. Maybe some of you are going through deadline here. Deadline of like you need to complete this project, because we do go through like companies, and then there are projects and we have to complete it. Okay, and there is some important message en route, and you possibly dealing a little bit something here. Okay, but you're also writing. You're involved in something. You're building. You're saving. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles is sincere approach here. This may be coming from King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. Okay, I'm going to take these two cards here. But let's see what's with this King of... Okay, first, I said so that this may be Devil, Capricorn energy, bounce back. You have Queen of Pentacles. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn might be connected in your future. With them, you might have Ace of Cups energy. So Ace of Cups is now confirmation of something approaching you. Love between two energies. Now, however, if this is not Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn or any other sign, this may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There's heavy reunion. Okay, this may be get together. This may be, you know, some meeting, or after meeting you're having certain kind of like a buffet or something, like snacks or something, brunch you are having, and then there's going to be some cheer kind of thing, something that you are celebrating, work related celebration, love related celebration. Okay, there's a lovely communication, conversation here I'm seeing. Let me see. You people might be working together. Oh, however, two rings, two solid personalities coming together. So this is about kindred spirits coming together. If this is not at all about any love matter in your life, then this might be projecting your work situation, wherein you're going to have very friendly environment. Things are settling. You people are celebrating something here. With all love, cheers here. It's not necessarily only wine or something like that. It's going to be anything. Anything that you like. There's a very, like a 360-degree change in your work, in your relationships. What kind of? It is official. Then wow, I feel like this is a team of three possible, enjoying. It is also friends or old pals coming together. So this is reunion as well. Okay. I have this one question, that what is with this person, whoever this is? If they're not talking with you, they're in no contact, then what is happening with them? What is going on with this person? Please, can you tell me? Okay, so this is the card. This is Seven of Swords energy, but this is also the card of like, I just heard like when I picked this up, like they are regretting what they did. They might be regretting that they lied to you. They did the cover up. They were not honest. I would say that someone is regretting here because they were not honest. Now, you know, things go, we should not regret it, but at times you do think about it. Oh my God, this shouldn't have happened, kind of energy. This is something that they took their conversations or everything with them. Someone who never claimed. So basically there were layers. Someone who was a thief kind of, or someone who lied to you. This can go in that way as well. But what they are telling me is that someone who is regretting what they did left the conversation here, whatever happened. So this person is not satisfied totally with what they did. And now they might be going through a phase of like pause. Four of Swords energy is the break time they might be taking. They might be getting healed. They might be getting healed from whatever they are going through. And something is also connected with like dancing on someone's tunes. So basically it is giving me the vibe of like, I know, with all due honor and respect to this area as well, but I have to use this word circus. like you're supposed to do. You have that whip kind of, the one is doing because it's their work, but that's not right. That's why so many circuses are closed now. No wound to any animal, nothing like that. People suffer, a lot of things are there. We're not going that way, but whenever I read and such things come, then I don't know what to do and how to explain or how to express exactly what I'm feeling. That pain is there. With this person, they are settling their own issues. They might be thinking about what I did. They might be praying even, praying to reconnect because they have Four of Wands. They have this in mind. They might be thinking about this union. They might be thinking about the relationship they had with you, or still you people are having. They are thinking about future comeback, claim, okay? They might be getting healed from something of their past or of now if something went through when you were not with them, okay? So they might be taking break or they are on break. They are definitely thinking about this Four of Wands energy, okay? I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.